In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to set the default messaging app on your Android device. By setting a default messaging app, you can ensure that all incoming messages are directed to the app of your choice. This is especially useful if you prefer using a specific messaging app over the default one that came with your phone. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Apps. And then choose Default Apps. After that, tap SMS app. And now you have the ability to choose your preferred SMS app. For example, I can select the Facebook Messenger app. Tap on it to select it. This is exactly how you can set the default messaging app on your Android phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.